Thank you so much for joining me today. It's 𝐸𝑚𝑎𝑧𝑖𝑛𝑔. I'm so glad you're here. Thank you for joining me for this Scarlet night aboard the Virgin Voyages on the Scarlet Lady. I decided to use 4 quick products. I had to be ready in 5 minutes. This was a very busy cruise, so I'm glad you joined me. Here I'm using Shape Tape for concealer, no foundation. I use Black Opal contour, and I also use an eyeliner from ELLE, and I use my lipstick from Stila, which is a fiery red color. I'll attach everything down below. And here's my outfit. I have on a Bebe jumpsuit, Bebe shoes, Chanel earrings, and Chanel purse. I hope you enjoyed this look. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe.